back to the Chronicles of the Range Monkey. I'm your host, Natalie, and I'm here with my dad. We're out at the Widener Ranch in his office doing some dry fireworks, some unboxing stuff today that we're excited for, and just kind of messed around.
Today's video is brought to us by Mantis. The Mantis family of products is integral to ASP staff building handgun and carbine skills and are your most economical and fastest path to improvement in your skills too. Whether you choose the X10, the Laser Academy, the Blackbeard, or use them all in concert, they will help your practice be more effective, efficient, and fun. Go check them out, pick up a unit, and thank them for sponsoring today's video.
All right, so this week, what we've got today is we've got the Mantis Blackbeard X new in box and package, and Natalie's gonna open this up. We're gonna walk through what this is and what it does. So show them what you got, Nat.
All right. So on the back, it does talk a little bit about it. It says that it comes in red and green, and that's...
And infrared to boot.
And infrared, yeah.
So.
I just love when stuff comes in green. All right. Ooh, that's pretty.
So there's a nice little package, yep.
Nice little package. Nice little durable zippered box to keep it in. All right. Ooh, there we go.
Okay, so with this, you've got your bolt carrier group that you're going to take out of your AR. Now, they make this for a few different versions of guns, so when you order this, you want to make sure that you get the right one for what you've got. But you've got that, and this is basically this is the Blackbeard.
Okay.
Like we did last week on that one, the one that you worked with a little bit. But in this, and you can tell this is a little bit longer than the Blackbeard, right? And so what they've done is they've incorporated the Mantis X10 into this as well. Okay. So this is the battery for all of this that runs all the electronics to reset the trigger and all of that. But it also works with the Mantis X software. So when you connect the software to this, it gives you the Blackbeard X drills. And so now you've got drills where it'll say, okay, so give me 3 shots here, 3 shots there, and it's going to track your muzzle and all of that.
Sweet.
What's kind of interesting about it is that so with this version of it, when you're in the app and I say, remember how last time I was like, give me 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. What it's going to do is it's going to show you, is that muzzle going back and forth flatly, or are you doing this? So
okay,
now I'm exaggerating. You weren't doing that, but are you going down and up?
A circle rather than a line.
Or what? Yeah. Or if I said, give me 2 here, 2 here, and then 2 up here. For a further distance target, is it straight lines? Are we being efficient to get there, or are we doing a lot of that kind of stuff? So it is pretty cool. There's some tools and stuff that come with this as well. There, you can get this works with the Laser Academy as well, so you can run that through the Laser Academy and the Blackbeard or the Mantis X software at the same time. Nice. You got your charging cable in there. You got your cool little sticker, and then there's your key to adjust. So then you can take and put that key right in here on this, and it basically adjusts the laser so that you can marry up the laser with your up or down with your sights. Okay. So, we talked about height over bore. So if you've got an optic, like I've got an optic on mine, and we're only really shooting at about 5 yards.
Yeah.
And now the laser is going to hit way below what I'm looking at. So then I can marry all of that up. It's artificial, I get it, but it's for your dry fire environment. That's artificial too.
Yeah.
And so kind of a cool thing. Let's get one with a charged up battery. I've got my battery charged up. I don't know if this is literally brand new out of the box. First time this has been opened up. So we'll get this on the charger. Let's grab a charged up battery and we can play with it a little bit. We'll see you guys next time when we're actually running this thing.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.